Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we're just gonna do some easy recipe, like everyday recipe. So just start by cleaning your rice, just like this. And in the meantime, put some boiling water, salted water of course. Then when your rice is clean, just add it to the boiling water. Keep mixing it, if not it's just gonna stick. And then you put some olive oil in a frying pan and you start heating your onions. So I'm always using red onions, but of course you can use white onion if you want to. And then add your vegetables, so the carrots and the peppers. Then mix it all together. Then you're gonna use those spices, so just start by adding some salt, some black pepper, some turmeric, and some paprika. Then make sure you mix all. And when it's mixed, just leave it cook for a few minutes. Cook like on a medium heat. Yeah, medium to high heat. Then while your veg are nearly cooked, you add your mushrooms. Always the mushroom at the end because they're like really easy to cook really fast. And mix it all. So I add this chicken cube mix to the recipe just because I'm not doing any meat or anything on the sides, but it's not necessary. Only if you add this one, just be careful with your salt because this is really salty already. Just put a bit less salt and that's it. Then mix it and leave it for a few more minutes. Well, after your veg are ready and your rice is ready too, so you're gonna start by draining your rice of course, and then you add it to your frying pan just like this and mix it with the rest. And here we go. After everything is mixed, just switch off the heat and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If it's the case, don't hesitate to subscribe.